Hello, friends. This is what comes in a PS Threads box kit. Everything for a kit comes in this nice box for easy travel, and it fits nicely in my bag. So let's open it up. In the kit, you get a pattern booklet with in-depth instructions and a pattern. You also get a stick of disappearing glue from Elmer's, some super sharp snips, a needle, and a needle minder. Of course, you get some Aurifil thread and plenty of fabric to complete your project. All of these cuties are from Art Gallery. And as a special summertime sale, enjoy the opportunity to get 25% off on all box kits as well as everything else at PS Threads. Sale goes until August 7th. Thanks for stopping by.